All right, we made it to the Mossy Cave Trail. We're at the end. Well, that's it. But I think we'll head over to the waterfall. There's Adventure Addie leading the way. There's Addie. We made it to the waterfall over at Mossy Cave. You see it behind me? It's kind of tempting to jump in, it's so hot today. Where are we, Demery?
At the waterfall.
Should we go behind it?
Yeah.
Here we go, look. What's behind us? A big waterfall, huh? So we made it to the waterfall. I'm gonna walk behind it. Little drippy in here. Not wet, but we're okay. That was awesome. That felt good. It's a hot day today. You walk across. What are you gonna do, Demery?